Sewer line failures don't announce themselves. They quietly spread underground until one normal day turns into a problem you can't ignore or undo. Here are 4 signs you should look for. Sign number 1. Multiple drains backing up at once. Multiple drains backing up at once isn't a coincidence. That's a warning. When one drain clogs, it's usually a local problem. But when several drains start acting up at the same time, that signals a blocked sewer line. When you flush the toilet and the shower gurgles, that usually means the blockage isn't in the fixture. It's in the main sewer line. If it's happening in more than one area, then it's already beyond a simple clog. If it keeps coming back, the line may be partially blocked or is starting to fail. So if you see this happening, stop using water. And don't pour chemical cleaners down your drain. Call a professional and get it checked before things go out of your hands. Sign number 2. Sewage smells. Sewer gas has a very specific smell, and your nose usually knows something's wrong before you do. So if you smell that in your basement, bathroom, or even your yard, take caution, because this can easily mean cracked pipes, broken seals, or even sections of sewer line leaking gas where they shouldn't. Occasional odors are an early warning, but if you can constantly smell them, then it usually means an active leak. Check your floor drains and traps first, and if the smell persists, book a professional inspection at your earliest. Sign number 3. Random wet patches in the yard. If one section of your lawn is always wet or suspiciously green, it doesn't mean you're a great gardener. Leaking sewer lines fertilize soil, but they also corrode it. If you see small, soft spots, then it's like a slow leak. But if you see spreading wet areas, then it's probably an active failure. And if you see sunken ground or depression, then it means your soil is giving way. Now, you might have the urge to dig that part and see what it's hiding. But at Superior Plumbing, we recommend that our clients be patient. Mark the area and get the line inspected by a professional. So have you observed any of these signs? Comment below.